Hi everybody. Today's lesson is going to be Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. I'm going to start by reading Pete the Cat book, and then after I'm done with the Pete the Cat book, I'm going to create another video on how to draw Pete the Cat. So I'm going to begin by starting to read the book, Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus had counted them just for fun. They had counted 10 cupcakes. All 10 cupcakes were all lined up right there. Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were there. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said, maybe we need to count again. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they had found a clue. Gus said, "Look what I have found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles." Squirrel said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone was playing some tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. Uh-oh, footprints. Pete said, "I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat." Alligator said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been out there learning my ABCs." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Now there were only 4. Someone had taken 2 more, but who? Who could it be, you guys? Who do you think is stealing these cupcakes? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. Uh-oh, there's a ladder heading up to the window. "I bet it was Turtle," said Pete. "I know Turtle loves some sweets." Do you guys think a turtle could climb a ladder to get up there to steal those cupcakes? I guess we'll see. Turtle said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been out swimming in the sea." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now all gone. No cupcakes left, guys. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. Oh, so they have some sprinkles, they have some footprints. And solve this mystery. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus had solved the case. I'm sorry, it was me. I could not stop eating just one. I ate them all till they all were done." His belly's full. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after all that he had done. Pete said, but wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance because that's what friends do. Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited, he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Look at that big platter of cupcakes. Pete the Cat's cupcake party. All his friends were there. It's pretty cool they gave him another chance. The end.